Welcome back. So today we're here at a special event here in Mesa, Arizona. This is the Adventure Van Show here at La Mesa RV. Today we have the 2026 Leisure Unities, very beautiful vehicles, but we have this special color, the Desert Shadow paint scheme. This also has the blacked out wheels. This is the 3500 chassis, high performance LED headlights, also the eyebrow shape with the daytime running light and turn signal. Down below, also halogen fog lamps, open country tires. These are the LT 215 85 and it is a 16-inch wheel. When you check out, it even has the name of the color, Desert Shadow. This beautiful sand color. We have this one-piece front cap. Even up top, we have a porch light built in. And of course, the beautiful Mercedes chassis. We have wide side mirrors, also with integrated turn signals. And then this top is not just a flat black. We actually have this metallic black paint, even space for diesel fuel filler. Taking a look inside the cockpit, we have a lot of storage here in these doors. We have the premium chassis from Mercedes-Benz in this 3500, inline four twin turbo. We have the updated steering wheel, also with leather wrapping. And because we're at the show, we can't start it up right now, but the updated chassis will have the updated graphics. The comfort package seats with cat skin. I love this dual tone. We have the brown and black dual tone. We have Leisure Travel Vans logo stitched in the headrest. Before we go inside, let's take a view of the passenger side. We have a drawer awning, also with LED lighting. We can see more of the solar panels on the roof. This has a Suburban furnace. Looking at our first storage bay, we have a small storage bay, also a gasket, carpet lining. Just check out the hardware. Looks like aluminum or stainless steel for the hardware. Gas lift, also keep it from slamming. GFCI outlet, Battle-Born batteries. Looks like we have two 270 amp hour batteries, also a Xantrex inverter. Very clean wiring. Looks very nice in this battery compartment. We also have a Flex Power 4,000 watt generator. In our final compartment in the rear, we have another storage bay, also a gasket. Here in the back, we have more lockable storage. Looks like we have a little bit of pass-through storage. Mercedes heavy-duty rubber mats, 30 amp short connection. And then we have some frameless UV tinted glass windows. We have some pass-through storage here. You can see a preview of the interior vinyl flooring. And then looking in the back, we also have a little bit of storage, this wraparound 90-degree. And then underneath, here's our wet bay. Here's our winterization valve, outdoor shower. Also freshwater connection. And then looking to the right, our water pump switch, propane shutoff switch, propane filler. We also have a macerator pump and our SantaFlush connection. These fiberglass doors, and then this really high quality hinge and gas shocks. 30 amp short connection, Truma AquaGo. We have more lockable storage, also with gaskets around the doors, full fiberglass doors, really nice solid feel. And in the front, also more storage. So taking a wide angle view of the driver's side, really nice design. In this compact C-Class, you still have a good amount of storage. A lot of C-Classes don't get a lot of storage. Up top, you can take a look at some of our vents. We have a solar panel, also Truma air conditioning system. All right, so let's close these doors up. It's nice, the gas shocks will also keep it from slamming closed. I'll lock that in place. Taking a look in the back, we also have some LED tail lights, wide angle rear view camera, LED marker lights, and the beautiful Leisure Travel Vans logo. Underneath, we have a tow hitch, also a 7-pin connector. Next, let's go into the back and check out this luxury interior. Now coming inside, you have a cassette shade, also UV tinted glass, a little bit of storage in the door, and this heavy duty handle. We have a metal heavy duty grab handle. Coming inside, taking a wide angle view, we have a skylight, also a cassette shade, radius cabinetry up top. Just check out the galley with the curved doors. We have dual jump seats, solid surface countertop, even a smart television right here in the galley. To the left, we have a beautiful Leisure Travel Van badging that's stitched in, some coat hooks. Even this grab handle is backlit with leather. Absolutely amazing interior. LED light stripping, absolutely beautiful. Also ducted air conditioning. The skylight also with bug screen. You get a bird's eye view of the cockpit with outdated Sprinter chassis. This beautiful soft white ambient lighting. Also the wood paneling looks amazing. We have this ultra leather material all around. Here in the galley, we have a solid surface countertop. We have 2 induction burners, also a round stainless steel sink. Looking at our jump seats, we also have seat belts for each side, carbon monoxide and LP detector, and easy access to fuses and breakers. So we have this beautiful radius cabinetry, really nice quality on the hardware, LED light stripping, all of this indirect lighting, giving a very nice calm atmosphere. Spring-loaded European hinges. Also a nice use of space with the shelves. On the interior, we also have HDMI connections, cable connection. Over the cab, we have more storage. And to the right, we have a nice bright screen. We have controls for all of the coach. Looking to the right, over the jump seat, we also have a little more storage. Nice transparent bug screen. You want to make sure you're not running into this. It's so very easy to open and close. High point convection microwave, also a stainless steel interior, nice and clean. Of course, this is a brand new 2026. Keys to the coach, beautiful Mercedes key. Looks like we have a total of 4 keys, and then all of our remotes. Down below, we have a separate freezer, and it's nice having this drawer style freezer, very easy access. All right, before we go into the bedroom area, first off, it looks absolutely amazing. We have a small pantry. You can unlock this. Just check out the heavy duty ball bearing hinges, ball bearing slides, also metal construction, heavy duty. Underneath our galley, we have more storage. And check out these curved radius doors. Absolutely beautiful. We have an inner and outer radius curved door. Tons of space underneath. Have an Aquaflow cartridge. Look at how nice and neat the plumbing is. Beautiful round stainless steel sink. Also matte black finish on this modern faucet. Pull-out sprayer with adjustable spray head. We also have a small caddy for spices, utility hooks, paper towel holder, and also GFCI outlet. Even the valance has this ultra leather material. We have these 2 large twin beds also that convert into a king size with the filler pieces. Up top, we have more beautiful ambient soft white LED lighting, overhead storage, great quality on the hinges and hardware. Also headboards for each side and a center console with 110 volt outlets. It looks like we have a little bit of storage under the floor. Great spot, we can put another pair of shoes. We also have drawers, nice deep drawers, really smooth ball bearing slides, also soft closing. And to the right, we also have lagoon table bracket. Taking a look in the middle, let's see if there's anything under here. So yeah, check it out. So here's the filler piece for the bed. So you definitely want to fold that out. This will fold out in the Z shape. Now we have the full bed platform supported. Main control switch for bed ceiling lights, accent lights, outlets for charging. This beautiful ultra leather material for the headboard. And just take a look at these mattresses. Really nice quality on the mattress. Looks to be 8, maybe 9 inches thick. We also have pass-through storage underneath the beds with a gas shock, so it'll hold the mattress in place. We also get a gas shock on the passenger side. Here's our lagoon table, also center post for the front table. These nice deep drawers on each side, so really nice design. Beautiful design in this Unity. Have more storage. Each bay has its own partition. Nice spot for the smart television right behind. Looks like we have hanging space, also with backlighting. This also make a partition for the bedroom. I love this skylight here in this large shower. Easy to clean surface. We even have a grab handle inside, caddy for soaps. Matte black finish on the hardware. Also adjustable spray head and LED lighting up top. You have a retractable shower curtain. So really easy to open and close, nice and clean. Nautilus retractable shower curtain. And then spinning around to the bathroom, Another awesome curved door, porcelain Dometic round toilet, same solid surface countertop as the galley, stainless steel sink and matte black hardware, medicine cabinet area, and towel bars. Guys, I hope this was a good brief overview of this leisure travel Unity in the Desert Shadow color. This vehicle is available here at La Mesa RV. If you're interested in this vehicle, please contact me. I'll have my information down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.